Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Revisely. It is one of the best AI-powered study apps in 2025 for students looking to ace their exams with less stress. Revisely is your all-in-one learning companion offering AI-generated flashcards, quizzes, and study resources, all tailored to your exam board and subject. Whether you're studying for high school finals, college tests, or professional certifications, Revisely gives you custom revision plans based on what you need to learn and how much time you have. One of the best features of it is that it breaks down complex topics into bite-sized flashcards. Then it quizzes you using spaced repetition to boost long-term memory. You'll study smarter, not harder. It also tracks your progress and highlights weak areas, so you can focus on exactly what needs improvement. Plus, you can also explore thousands of pre-made resources or generate new ones using AI. Everything is neatly organized in one dashboard, and the applications work great on both desktop and mobile, perfect for revising on the go. If you're serious about improving your grades or just want a more efficient way to study, Revisely is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite study applications in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next video.